Hi friends, and welcome to another weekly tips video. Today I'll be showing you how I take my beauty blender from all stained up to having no stains at all. If you'd like to know how to do this, then just keep watching. Alright, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. I've got my beauty blender here and I even smudged some extra foundation on it just to show you how well this little trick works. And this is something I do every single day. I do clean my beauty blender directly after I put on my makeup. And here's what I'm using. I am just using this Equate foaming 2-in-1 cleanser. It's actually the Neutrogena copycat, and either one would work. I just find that these makeup removers work really well for this, and I use this same makeup remover on my face as well. So all you need to do is, after you finish putting on your foundation, make sure to saturate your beauty blender in water and even squeeze it out enough times to make sure it's fully saturated. Put a couple pumps of the makeup remover on it and then just start working it into the material. Before you even put it under the water, I go ahead and coat the entire sponge with the makeup remover until I see that it does sink in and sort of disappear. Then under running water, begin to just work that soap all through the sponge. And as you can tell, I missed a couple spots, and if you find there's a couple stains that are just a little bit more stubborn, then go ahead and just put another spot of the makeup remover on it and work that into it just as before. Push that into the material, give it a good squeeze so it does really clean it from the inside out even, and then put that back under the water, rubbing it between your hands until you see all the stains are gone, and then just start squeezing out the water, still under running water, until you see the water runs clear. Then you can just gently dab it dry with a towel, and your beauty blender will come out pretty much like new every time. So you won't have stains, you won't have any smells, and you won't have any germs, or at least a lot less of them. So I find that this keeps my beauty blender pretty much fresh and almost like new, and lengthens its life. I don't know about you, but I definitely don't want to be applying makeup with a stained up, gross looking beauty blender. I never skip a day. I literally finish putting on my foundation and I just wash it in the very next moment before I even finish my whole makeup look. I just find that that's the way to make sure that you don't let any stains soak in, and it really takes less than 2 minutes. I mean, it probably takes me about 30 seconds now. So I hope you enjoyed this video and that was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments below, or let me know any video requests that you've got. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again really soon. Bye!